Hello, so I'm about to do a task on this machine, the Merrow Pearl Stitch. Alright, this is the MG, let me see, 2DNR-1. So what I want to do is to change some seals on it. I've already ordered the seals right here. Right, gasket. This is the fabric that I will use to take up that excess oil. I'll rest whatever parts I need to rest on this. I saw some leaking right here, so let me show you the test that I did. So once I rub this right here, I can see some oil residue right here. So I'll be changing some seals around it, and what I've noticed is that I place plastic right here and I place some paper underneath, and it has oil residue. So the first step is to open the oil plug and release the oil that is in it, and then I'll change the seals that I need to change. Alright, so I'll reposition the camera to do that. Alright.